Okay, so you've sprained your ankle and you've been asked to get an ankle support brace. I'm going to do a review of the Aircast A60, which is in fact the one that Andy Murray wears pretty much for every game he plays. It's a low profile ankle support brace. It comes with a strap out of the pack, and basically you open it up. It's pretty simple. Your toes go in the back there, so that's your toes coming out the front here and the heel out the back there. So this part goes in the front. So Cass, one of our senior nurses, is going to try it. You grab the hard parts here and put your foot through there. Okay, and then once that's on, you then pull this bit down so it goes inside and the Velcro goes onto the Velcro, so it just feels snug. And then you grab this part and you squeeze that. These two things should mold around the outer bump, that's the fibula, and the inner bump, which is your tibia. And you're going to go around holding those two areas, grabbing the outside like that, and then it comes around here and you go through there and then strap it on like that. Okay, do you want to try taking it off, and then we'll have a look at how to put it back on. Good. And okay, let's put it back on now, so as though we're using it from fresh. Grab it from the side parts, pull your foot through. Okay, plug that one inside, and then the strap comes around. Remember, these two parts need to be nicely supported around the bones on the outside. Grab that in. These are sided and they're also sized, so there's a small, medium and large, and it's a left and right, so you can't put the left side onto the right foot. So always check this will be a right small, because she's small and always right. Okay, so you get the idea. Now stand up and let's try and put it into your shoe and see if it fits in your shoe. It's a low profile design, so this should be able to be worn in most trainers. You may have to undo the laces slightly to get it in, and that's it. All right, and that looks pretty good.